Are you excited, Daffy, to go on a vacation? It's not that far. It's only I wish. I just don't like your temper. I don't care.
Guys, it's in the trailer park. It's very far away.
How about you, Sylvester?
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Hey, can I talk to Sylvester? Sylvester?
I'm right here. I'm holding my phone.
So, which one am I going to take tonight?
We're taking...
Well, we're three. There's only 3 boys and 1 girl. Right, Elsa.
Hey, that's my phone. That's my phone.
Okay, let's go. Oh, there's the car. I do not care.
Why do you want to go? Where are we going again? The car is locked.
Oh yeah, I just forgot.
We have to wait until the Uber. You know the Uber? We're taking an Uber.
No, this is our car.
No, we're taking over.
No, this is our car.
Who's driving? Not me today. You are driving. I can't even hurry back. Like a kid in a candy store.
Ow, I fell. I fell. I'm falling. I can't get up. To my bag. To my favorite Doritos. Well, since there's no spot for me, I'm up here since I'm the main character.
No, I'm with you. I have to be with you though.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna be with you because I have no spot either. Only if the cool kids do.
I'm not even a kid.
I'm sitting here on like a normal part. Wait, I gotta get my the seatbelt on. You guys don't have a seatbelt on.
Because we don't need one.
Yeah, you do. To be safety first.
Do you have a seatbelt bag?
Well, actually, well, we're in a different seat.
Wait, I want to come up there so I can have a seat. Oh, finally a spot where I can pee. I'm just gonna sit in my pee. No, wait. I'm gonna empty that out. Ah! Okay, now I can say, hey! Get out of here! Okay, fine. Hold on,
It's so wintry out.
it's snowing out. Twist my head. Look! Okay, it's my tail.
I just wiggle stomach so I can go back into my pants.
Guys, what? Oh, look at this! What I found! I found a god spot.
So, yeah, thanks you.
Let's get under here.
Well, that's kind of rude.
I'm going. I'm going to hang out.
Wait, but Tweety.
Only if you let me sleep there
What?
and be one of the main characters.
That's up to the Water Brothers. See, I'm not their boss. The Water Brothers have to make the decision. Oh my god, bro, there's a little bucket. Oh crap! Ah! Help, Tweety!
Got it. Oh, this is cool down here. Look.
Oh wait, whoa! Hey, bro. Hey, Tweety.
What?
I'm gonna make a bed under here.
I want one of those. These are our blankets.
This is your bed.
These are my blankets.
Okay.
I'm gonna crisscross apples.
Wait, is this actually fittable for me? Oh crap!
Let me get my blanket.
Somebody help me.
Oh, I did not choose that. Don't choose that spot. Because I have a
I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna lay here.
Yay! I want to come in here with you.
No.
No, I'm gonna sit up here.
Ah, crap. Tweety, what are you doing? Oh, crap. Tweety, what are you doing?
I'm actually gonna sleep with the dudes. Wait, I found a god spot right here in this thing. Let me show you. It's right over here. No, wait, that's too dangerous. I need to get in the god.
What's too dangerous?
This is a god spot. Get out of here, Chelsea.
This is not what I want to be. Well,
Look at this. I just found a god spot, guys. Look.
okay, guys. Anyways,
I'm just gonna fall asleep or watch YouTube. I'm just gonna watch you do some YouTube.
okay.
On my phone.
Got a
Wait,
mask
no,
up.
I'm just gonna watch some TV in here.
I'm just gonna relax.
Guys, there's a TV and a bar in here. Right here. Cool sweet town.
I'm just
Are
gonna
you
check.
excited to move to a different place or on a
We're not moving. We're on a vacation.
I can't wait to see my old lost friends there. But they're human.
Doesn't a grandma own you?
Yeah, but I don't like her. She doesn't really like me either. She threw me out.
Oh,
I live with this cat.
we'll see. We'll see you back in 20 minutes.
Guys, I'm gonna go into a different spot. I found a god spot.
We'll see you in the next video. Get this video to 20 likes.